let's take a look at what we got here. We got some potatoes, onions, and green peppers.
My name is Marvin Caribou.
Let's go.
Let's make some breaky egg. Boom. Throw those in the garbage. Right there. That's the garbage. That's what we call stove garbage. It's quick. It's easy, accessible. Your fingers don't get too sticky. And you don't have to travel across the kitchen floor back behind you, risking dangerous footsteps. Good morning, everyone. I'm your host, TV's Derek Two-Shot, not ripping off anything in any way, shape, fashion, or form from TV's Craig Ferguson. CBS cares. Today we're going to be cooking some potatoes and green peppers and onions, and we're going to do some omelet. Actually, we're not doing the omelets, or I thought you were in the wall there for a minute there, Carlos. No, we're just going to put eggs on. My dad often did this, just scrambled eggs and potatoes. It's amazing. What, you think I need to do fancy lobster fondues and amazing soups and stuff like that? No, I don't. Because I saw a viral video once about a grilled cheese sandwich, and if millions of people need to watch that, then anything is amazing when you cook it in my studio. Let's go. Okay, we've already done all the cutting and stuff because I don't have a cameraman, so I don't have time, and I think of these on the go. Boom, this is a video. Okay, we've already looked at that, amazing. Let's do some handwork. Well, these potatoes are getting pretty brown. That means they're getting cooked. Well, that's onion too. All right, yeah. Turn this down because it's getting. Ouch! Notice how I went around? Because of course the egg yolk is never going to get in there and get cooked anyways. Now remember, you got to poke the egg yolks, and if you're a good chef, then you stir it, right? That's right, right? Stir your eggs. Right? No, wrong! You filthy little monkeys. You naughty ponies.
Oh, you naughty pony. You are such a very naughty pony. Oh, you naughty pony. You are such a very naughty pony.
You beat it. Just beat it. I had this friend actually, James from that viral channel. What's that called again? Linus Tech. Linus, the guy from the Sesame Street. No, it's not Sesame Street. Charlie Brown. James was at my house once and he said, "Oh, I thought you stir. What's beating?" I was like, boom. And he's like, "I just learned that. I never knew that." So this guy on viral videos, it's all famous and totally smart, didn't know that, and I officially taught him that. And if you ask him that, he will admit it. He can't lie. So I am smart. So smart. So smart. So smart. So smart.
Oh, you naughty pony. You are such a very naughty pony.
Now you're supposed to go slowly, but I'm in a hurry, so we'll clean off another one of these dirty plates. That's like the story of my life, cleaning off dirty plates. It's like that song by Our Lady Peace, Dirty Walls. Ours is dirty dishes. Dirty dishes, dirty dishes. I. Okay, it's sticking to the pan. That's because we're not trying very hard. All right, and there is our food.